In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit events in Google Calendar. If you need to update an existing event, Google Calendar makes the process very simple. Whether you want to change the event title, adjust the time, add a location, update the description, or modify the guest list, you can do it all from the event editor in just a few clicks. To get started, open Google Calendar and go to the date where your event is scheduled. Once you find the event you want to change, click on it one time. This will open a small pop-up window with a quick view of the event details. This pop-up is useful because it gives you a fast way to review the event before making any changes. From that small window, click the pencil icon labeled Edit Event. This will open the full event editing page, where you can make more detailed changes. If you only click the event by mistake, this is the point where you can confirm that you're editing the correct one before moving forward. Now you can update the event details as needed. You can change the title if the meeting or appointment name needs to be more accurate. You can also adjust the date and time if the schedule has changed. If the event is happening in a specific place, you can update the location field so attendees know exactly where to go. You can also edit the description to add more context, instructions, or important notes. If other people are involved in the event, you can review and update the guest list as well. This is helpful if someone new needs to be included or if a guest is no longer attending. Take a moment to look over all the details carefully before saving, especially the time and date, since those are usually the most important updates. Once you've finished making your changes, click the Save button at the top of the page. After you save, Google Calendar will apply the updates to the event. If guests are included, you may also be prompted to send the updated event information so everyone stays informed. And that's it. Editing an event in Google Calendar is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. Just open the event, click the edit pencil, make your changes, and save everything when you're done.